Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on output generated for linear mixed effects models in JASP. After we have specified input options as described in the previous video, we can now have a look at the output. The ANOVA summary table contains test statistics relevant to the fixed effects terms. Significant p-values here indicate that the effect of the fixed effect is significant. The model summary table provides statistics to gauge the model fit, and the estimates for fixed effects right here indicate the coefficients here indicate the slopes for the fixed effects. As discussed in the previous video, this is an estimated marginal means plot where the estimated marginal means for each of the levels of the fixed effects factor of dose are provided, and we can glean from this plot that as the dose in milligrams of theophylline given to the participants increased, the average level of theophylline in the blood, average concentration of theophylline in the blood, also was higher at a given time point. The estimated marginal means table provides the estimated average concentrations of theophylline right here in the estimates column with the 95% confidence intervals. Contrasts specify difference between each of these levels. For example, contrast 1 is the difference between second and the first row. Contrast 2 is the difference between third and first row, and contrast 3 is difference between the third and second row. The estimated trends table provides the slopes at different levels of our fixed effect factor, and as we can see, individuals who had been given a higher dose of theophylline had a more negative slope. That is, the level of theophylline in the blood decreased more rapidly than people who were given a lower dose, and we can see that in contrast to this effect is indeed significant right here. Even the effect of different dosing is significant. If we see contrast 3, patients who were given between 5 to 6 milligrams of theophylline had a more rapid loss of theophylline concentration in the serum than patients who were given 4 to 5 or 3 to 4 milligrams of theophylline. In the next video, we will have a look at how to report our results. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.